Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 7th of September till 13th of September, and we will see what are the guardian's messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so let's get started with your reading now. Let's see what is there for my Leos from 7th till 13th of September, please. Alright. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's get started with your reading. So you have 5 of Wands at the present scenario. So you are in the middle of conflicts, you are in the middle of some kind of arguments. Okay, might be your family, with your family members, might be with your spouse or your girlfriend, boyfriend, whomsoever it concerns, in your office as well, because there's a lot of competition I'm seeing. So everyone is trying to just reach at the top right now, and you know, he or she just wants that I should reach at the top, no matter how much betrayals it may concern. But the issue is that you are really slow in the success. The growth for you is coming, but it's really slow for you, and you always think that I always try, I always want to be the highest, you know, I always want to achieve this, I want to achieve that, but all you do is it's like you are not selected at the end, something really. 4 of Pentacles over here at the blessings, and I would say your focus. So your mind is telling that, you know, just stay connected, just hold on to that thing. If you really want to hold on to your success, you just have to hold it on. You just cannot just give it to anyone. See how this lady has just kept her see Pentacles and her purse just beside her, just in front of her, and she will not let it go to anyone, no matter whosoever it may concern. So this is how it's like your focus is also so much into this. The past energies are the Tower. So there was some kind of an ending, might be a traumatic ending or a tragic ending, which you have been coming from, and this might be a really big, you know, really big thing for you in your life. So you have just come from that thing. The Devil in the base of the reading. So some kind of an attraction I'm seeing with the Devil over here. So this might be a person with whom you are attracted towards, and you are not letting that person go. All you want is to just get this person in your life. But for only some people, for some of you, it is more about this attraction, this addiction for something. Okay, not just a person, but a thing as well, a situation as well. You want a job, you want a promotion, you want to be the first in class, you want to be the first in everything. So this is that attraction as well. Okay, that greed as well. The Queen of Cups in your future cards, it's like, yes, you are really working hard, and all your mind and all your heart is into this thing. It doesn't matter anymore anything else for you. The Wheel of Fortune for how you are at present. So you are really, there's a change. In fact, you also might have understood this change in you already. So there is a change coming up in your life, in yourself, you know, a better version of yourself. You are actually seeing yourself a different person from the past person, because there was a lot of trauma in the past energies, but see how beautifully you have changed yourself with the Queen of Cups in the future. So this is a big change, you know. How people see you as 9 of Wands. So people know that you are guarded. People know that they just cannot come and talk to you anytime they want to talk. They know that you have guarded yourself, you have guarded your feelings, you have guarded everything. Now you are not the same person, so they have to really ask permission from you first, then they can talk. The Temperance in your hopes and fears, so you are really ready to balance out some things in your life. You're ready to balance out your energies, because your mind and your heart, they really does not work really well sometimes. So you really need to do that thing, that is your hopes in this thing. Four of Cups in the final outcome, so this is like rejecting some kind of bad people around you, I would say. But if some good advice is coming towards you, there is an advice over here that try to listen to people and then to make the final decision. Okay, so if you think that someone is actually giving you a very good advice, so try to just take that advice. Sometimes at least you just can listen to some people around you. Okay, so let's see why the Five of Wands is here in the present scenario. Too many cards. The Empress. Yes, this is a fight. This is a fight for the competition is for some kind of a growth only. Okay, this might be a promotion as well for some of you. This is a competition, a big competition. You are just all you are into yourself. So this August might have changed a lot in you, Leo, and I'm really getting good vibes from my Leos today. A lot of growth I'm seeing. Let's see the Knight of Pentacles. The Emperor. So the issue over here is, see, the problem over here is that I know that you have some problems regarding your work, that you really work hard, but you do not get what you actually want at the right time, or at a time you want, but you will get at least at some point of time. And the people around you, this is like the boss person, the bossy person around you, might be your mother, your father, your boss even. So this is an issue that people, they do not encourage you like the way you want. They are very much manipulating. They try to tell you always that what to do, that you have to do this. But Leos are not like that. They do not want to be leader. They are the leaders. They don't want someone else to tell them what to do. That's the quality of a Leo. They are the king of the jungle, the lion. Okay, so let's see why the Four of Pentacles is here. Why the Four of Pentacles with the Knight of Rods? Yeah, all I'm seeing is passion in you. All I'm seeing is the that inspiring energy, that continuation of that inspiration which you are getting and which you are giving to other people. People are getting inspired from you because the way you are holding on to yourself. You are being selfish, but it does not matter, because self-love isn't selfish, and that is what you are working on. You are working on your personal growth, and that is really good, Leos. The Tower, let's see why the Tower is here. Why the Tower is here in your past energies. Ten of Wands. So yes, there was a lot of burden, a lot of tensions, a lot of fear. This is like some kind of heaviness which you have just dumped and you have moved on. You have dumped, might be a person in your life, might be a situation which just ended, and it was really rough situation, because you have actually bared a lot of heaviness in you. Your heart was like, oh my god, I cannot just accept these kind of people in my life. The Devil, let's see why the Devil is here. Five of Swords. Can you just imagine the base of the situation? It's like attraction towards the bad person. It's like you are, see, Devil, it always tells about being attracted towards something, but this is really temporary. So you were with something or someone, but the thing was not good, with a lot of betrayals and a lot of manipulation. I am seeing that in whichever thing you were involved, you were that, okay, I am with you. You were always there for the person. You always gave the 100% from your side. But I don't know, this might be you as well, Leos. I'm sorry. This might be you. For some of you, this might be you. Where you were the one who manipulated some people. But this is really just 0.5% of times, but 99.5% it's them. It's the other situation in which you are dealing, and that is not good at all. No. You were dealing from a very different, heavy energy, a very bad energy, I would say. And if you have moved on and you have just dumped that thing like a garbage, so it's really good for you, for your future, because it was not good. Let's see why the Queen of Cups is here. See the Queen of Cups with the Nine of Wands, and I'm seeing the people around you also see you as Nine of Wands. So it's your energy totally, I would say that with this Queen of Cups is the Cancerian energy, but it's like you're cutting your emotions. You are more into, that I have to think about myself for some time, and it's not about yourself. I mean, the other person I'm talking about. So the situations, they will come and they will go, but you know that you are going to stay here. So that is why all your focus is on yourself. You are not going to entertain any bad people around you, because you have already done that enough. Let's see your final outcome now. Four of Cups. Why the Four of Cups is here? Wow. Okay. What else do we have? Oh my god, so many cards. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Okay. One more card, please. Okay, so Ace of Rods, Two of Rods, and Three of Rods. So this is that growth which you are actually waiting for. I know that you are in the Five of Rods right now, but this is actually taking a U-turn now, because that is the Wheel of Fortune. The U-turn which I was talking about, the Jupiter I was talking about. So all the success is coming towards you. This might take 1-2 months more, Leos, but things are really, they are working on your favor. They have started working on your favor, and if you are not you are not ready to accept it, so just be ready to accept it, okay? Because you just cannot leave in the middle, okay? You cannot quit in the middle. So just move on, just go on with whatever you are going on, because the things are really working the way you always wanted. The Ace of Wands, your new beginning. Then the Two of Rods, you see your ideas becoming action, and then waiting for the final result. So you are really working with the stuff around you, and this is really good energy. So that's all, Leos. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.